fairness, hopefully leading to a universal oneness for the nations on the planet Earth, which is the right since the day of our birth. So come along and bring along anyone you want to, and take a stand, I mean demand that all groups, whether black or white, Christian, Muslim, Hindu or Jew, go for the goal of peace, which is the real issue. But if you're still negative, you're the one that's strange. It doesn't take a fool to guess. We need change.